Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Its colors name. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, brown color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for elephant, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, and again use green color. Kids, now draw H. H for helicopter, and use black color. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw K. K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, and use brown color. M. M for moon, and again use brown color. Kids, now draw N. N for nest, again use brown color. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, and use red color. P. P for parrot, and again use red color. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen, and use blue color. R. R for rose, and again use blue color. It's now draw S. S for sun, and use green color. T. T for teacher. It's again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella. It's now draw V. V for vanilla, and use black color. W. W for wolf. It's now draw X. X for X-ray, and use yellow color. It's again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids, last draw Z. Z for zebra. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.